Hello and welcome to week 4. The first thing that you'll do this week is your reading assignment, which is to read Hedda Gabler. Then remember that if you want to view the video on realism, you do need to be logged in to that Norton Anthology Student Companion. You've got your overview on realism across the globe, and then you're going to do another annotated bibliography for project number 2. And for project number 2, once again, 3 different sources. So you are building, if you think about building from project 1 to project 2 to the final project for the semester, the portfolio, that's going to require a total of 6. So if you build on an idea and you find 3 more sources, you're going to be well on your way to, drafting that portfolio project at the end. And that's my intent. As I said before, it's a short semester. I'm hoping that you don't have to start from scratch in the last week of the semester to create a longer paper. So really think about what you studied in the first one, what we've read so far, or thus far across all of the weeks of the semester so far, and think about where are you finding connections between literary works over time, really. Are there themes? Are there characters? What is it that you can kind of pinpoint? Now, once again, for the annotated bibliography, you're going to find those sources, put together a works cited page in MLA format, 9th edition. You're going to have a one half page summary. But remember, the summaries should include at least 2 usable quotes, the purpose of the article, and how you're going to use that source in your paper. So that's the annotated bibliography. That's due at the end of the week. I have given you project number 2 handout. Just like project number 1, I'm keeping things very general because I'm hoping that and I did this again, sorry. I'm hoping that you're going to find some commonalities as you build upon the literature. You'll have 3 outside sources. You're going to, be, able to think about characterization, themes, connections to social issues, whatever it is that you're starting to target as we build really across the centuries from the 1400s. And definitely there's some literary periods that we're keeping note of as well. So be thinking about that. Add that, kind of keep that in mind as you pick the sources for this annotated bibliography. So this week you're going to do discussion forum number 4, which, we're moving from romanticism to realism. So, there is some skepticism that challenges these beliefs that people have kind of really grasped onto about religion, authority, education, love, marriage. I want you to think about 2 of the works that we've covered in class, and I want you to illustrate this progression. So as we move from what has been a traditional set of values around these big topics like religion and marriage, what's changing as we move into realism? So comment on that ability of art to really influence thinking. And once you've done your initial post, remember you're going to respond to 2 classmates' posts in a thoughtful manner. And then you have your weekly quiz, and you'll turn in that annotated bibliography. And again, all of this is due at the end of the week. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.